Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my second Gemini project. Basically, this is on full stack and the development fully by AI agent of Visual AI in the terminal. So actually, here what I did is, so I have integrated a witness stranger to get us to give you a catch. So let's see where it is. So you can just simply view the command automates the lobby website. So we do not see XTK, so it's pointing around command. So how it is make it is that we connected to the VS Code. So all the files folders and the writing part coding code will be done automatically. Do it. So as per now, it is the project is still in progress. As a base project, I have created it specifically for HTML and jobs. So here you can see. So as you know AI, so it will make some mistakes and so on. Not say make it like I want to make a post. So before that, I want to say like since I did as per the first page that I have did it for HTML and JavaScript. So later on when I want to React, stack, like I will into the things and all. So step one. And then like in upcoming videos, I will release the updated version. So for now, this is going to be extra thing. So I'm asking the post. We can see I have sent it to like what time. So it might not be as present because on the day long I have been using this model. Whether I'm using the Gemini API, like Gemini to come to mesh model here using the OpenAI SDK syntax. So basically, this is a basic target with prompting, and I have added to function calls. I have written the commands. So wait a second, I will show it fast forward. Like within the process. This thing I have set to improve the UI. So what in this thing it forgot the basic functionalities. At first it had needed a basic functionality. For example, I will show it here. Not on the rows. Sometimes it can follow my rows on. You can see the how the UI part and stretching the pages from down to the city. With as I said, I have used more from the morning itself. So some lag will be there by the way when you use it in work. So it will work. Okay. Crawler is sometimes what it is doing that it is completely changing the one and focusing on the thing sometimes. So basically if you're using it in a single way of 20 queries, like 20 queries, it will be nice. But if you exceed it, sometimes it may the efficiency may not be as expected. And one more thing to work on this already to like a to doing the music and just then run by split on strictly runs on laptop. The instructions on doing the in this wallet and you can help me out with it. But for still it is my doubting phase, so we'll use in the existing ones we debug that is. So what it may not video in catch issues, do the auto and deployed areas of put some still it is in the so it will be long. Really important to this ad when you refresh a page, the history will be deleted. So basically when you're chatting one go without any refresh, then the history is being saved in a session and then that is also analyzing the history and based on it, it is giving its response. So once created equivalence in debugging question, it will check it and save it knows that they need to create something from me. Okay. So it will work up to sometimes and after that it may use its efficiency and have seen that it have duplicated a L project again. So which is not good. So you can see here it have made post app again. So I have researched the prompt in blog and for do this things and these things. Okay. So that was a now you can say the function the UI part was created but the thing was created here. But when I asked it for the update the new buttons, it just like sometimes you can say it depends on them. And for the first time when I made the project in the moment, it worked fine. But when I am doing it here, it take the things like it actually worked, but the push buttons were not. It is not pushing the submit button when it's somewhere here. Okay? Right? I don't recommend if you want to learn with this, it is still you want to do it. But if you can like develop or you can debug with this and learn something new here. So you can see here, people and like completing the workforce, it is creating that, and with that I can either edit out it, like I can debate what the what went wrong here. So let's move forward. So, so here, what you should do, like what about somebody. I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview Java. No, I'm getting free version for few days, so let's see how it is. So let's see how the look at that page down here. I will forward with forwarding the things, everything like it's still got the shop here. But we will find a problem over here, that is it is finding the creator and show it here like as I said, from the morning itself I'm doing many of the times. For the first time when I did in the morning, but then I got find everything created. That was something um took like as a modern ran for too long, so it lost its consistency. So what I did was we can do in such cases. So when you use it really with the also I have debugged it. I have debugged it many other times, like in the tab. They say it the folder is not, the file is not created, and it ran. Even see the command it was not correct. So, there was something wrong with it. See that can come to do it. And even see environment if expected. So something went on here and there. Sometimes it comes to, so what I did here cleverly that it is already there in front of me, and just copied it and do it, because if I ran too many times it may move its consistency further in. That's the thing, and I only made everything while the code is correct. So now we can't say that the AI memory is not creating that correct. It is created correctly, but there sometimes, very few times, it will have an issue. So yeah, consoling everything now you can see that everything is okay. Just I have created the API and the open weather. Just paste it as it is prompted. Like and then I have then you guys it. But when you consider it, I think this model performs a bit well. So as per I'm using a Gemini kind of one application, say might be open in the first time. So it depends on you. So they're saying to enter new one. So let's see how it go it. Here we can see some animations also there. Like for the costume we have did it. It also had some images to it. Okay, so wait a second. So this is here you can see that these all are the projects which I had in the morning just for the hit and try and check whether my things are working correctly or not. The prompt. This is the first 8 hours himself. He can build it automatically. So I think I do like a total of 5 months like that. But this today is this is a stopwatch. I think the stopwatch was created like for the first time when I created it on hack, but from the second time in under 2 months it created from that way. And that this tutorial was my first project, and I have counted like less than 10 prompts, like less than 2 queries, and it performed something like you can add a timer, edit and save, like edit, delete, save, and the other things. Library management was automated. Like under the library management, you can see the things like title of the iceberg was added. The actually the search function was automatically I had just said to do some functionality to add some search function, and actually it was working. So the function once there in the review chapter you can check it. So it was adding it, and on clicking the review button, it is showing the things also. I have created a level at the tab version. So remember searching, let's see. So maybe so it's actually what you this rebound and rebounds even basic thing like that. The library was built in just a five very second. This is my weather app project. We built a first time. This is a motion like in thing. It's simply like a code based option. But we didn't have it. I'll take a caption here. Just add and did it. That the voting or the thing was fun. So here's what the initial projects. Um, so here I'm using my general idea, and one I'm using here and the end was generated point of concept. So as you can see it here. So I want to make a prompt. This is my prompt. So these are the things I want to try it. Okay. So here you can see. So this is the debugging. I want to the issue fix accessible to want to use to do. This is the way I copy, but I can support. So we pick this out. So that's all.